I always dreamed that, we'd be at nights like this, speaking with the Welsh people, just enjoying what's been achieved by all of us. It was like a feeling that built and a rapport built with the team and the Welsh public, and that's just grown. When we were there in Paris, I'm saying to my staff, once we're in the audience, because the camera will be on us, if England comes out of the hat, don't make a face. England come out of the hat and, I made a face. And I was like, when you're young, right, and you're looking forward to playing, and how many games you missed because of the weather and the pitch is rubbish, you can't train, you can't play. Disheartening, isn't it? When we're guaranteed, it's fantastic. Yeah. They love it, the kids, don't they? Absolutely love it. Absolutely fantastic.
I've got family.
I was never that obedient when I was that age, I promise you that. I weren't, no. We're very lucky, enjoy it, use it, make sure you work hard and you act in the right manner. Big thank you all as well to everyone for our support through the campaign. Hope you come to France with us and you bring us some good luck. And thanks for inviting us up today and good luck. Thank you. It's not just if you're a successful team, it's the nature in which you play. Especially if you're playing for your country, you have to wear the jersey with pride, and I think that the boys were doing that game after game and everybody responded, and it wasn't just what was going on the pitch, it was what was happening off the pitch. And the players feel everything from you guys. They do, they feel it. When you believe in them, you're with them. And I've been with Wales a long time as a player. I've never seen it the way it was in the last campaign, and that's a credit to you also for backing the team. We get it right. Who knows where we can go in the tournament. But it's not going to be easy, but it's doable for sure.